So you want to learn how to install and set up the Ring Video Doorbell. We got a lot to cover. Let's dive in. Comes with directions, the unit itself, quick release battery pack. That's the wedge to angle if you have a door frame. It includes install tools, template, and a USB sync. Download the Ring app, scan the code, complete your setup. Now the very first thing you want to do is, before you even think about doing installation, once you get the box, open it up, get it on the charger once you receive the package. And plug in and charge the battery with the provided charge cord. The brick is not included, so use a USB cell phone adapter with the provided charge cord. Then you can start thinking about installation. If it's green and red, that means it's charging. If it's solid green, that means it's fully charged. Then once you have a full charge, open the Ring doorbell by pushing up and sliding and removing it out. Then insert the battery as shown. And that will start the pairing process. Your Ring Video Doorbell will start flashing blue or flashing white. Download and install the Ring app. Create a Ring account. You then have the option of joining your Ring account to your Amazon account. Pair your phone with the Ring Video Doorbell. The Ring app then shows you a quick video on how to mount the Ring Video Doorbell. Join the Ring Video Doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. Then the firmware will be updated on your Ring Video Doorbell. To set up your chime, open the Ring app and then go to Device Settings and In-Home Chime Settings and Chime Connection. I'm connecting our Ring Video Doorbell to our mechanical chime. Give it a few minutes and then press the button on your Ring Video Doorbell. Now before installation, turn off the breaker of your doorbell transformer. Mine is on the circuit in the crawl space. Remove the existing doorbell. Now with one screw in, get the level on your Ring Video Doorbell. Put the doorbell in position and level your doorbell from there. Right there. Now we know where to put the screw. Connect the wires coming out of your wall. Either wire can connect to either screw. The order doesn't matter. If you have trouble getting your wiring attached to the Ring Video Doorbell, they do include these wire jumpers and wire nuts. Then screw it in. Feed all the wires and wire nuts, if you're using those, into the wall and secure the Ring Video Doorbell to the wall with the 4 screws. Then insert the battery. Then install one of the 2 provided faceplates. With the screw, take this and reverse it so that the screw goes in there. Then install the faceplate. A big test. For more home security videos like this one, click the image on the screen now.